Early Tuesday morning in Gainesville, Florida, things took a wild turn when a man stole a box truck and led police on a high-speed chase that could have easily turned deadly.
I'm going to be under this call, please.
According to the Florida Highway Patrol and the Alachua County Sheriff's Office, the truck had been reported stolen out of the Tampa area.
Getting off at 384.
As the driver, later identified as 34-year-old Brandon J. Baker, sped northbound on I-75, calls for backup came pouring in.
Speed, traffic conditions, please. Normal departure rate of traffic coming up to the light. Gonna turn westbound. Yeah, there's no Justin. I'm coming up Tower and Archer when you know it's got to stick out. I'm not sure the unit in front of me is. Justin, I'm at Oak Park. I'll put the sticks here. Alright, going the wrong way on the interstate. On the southbound off-ramp.
From northbound on southbound side?
That's correct. Turn around.
Turns out, Baker wasn't just involved in a simple vehicle theft. Authorities say he had just committed an armed carjacking before taking off in the stolen truck.
Probably like red shirt, beard. Westbound Arch Road. Did you fail? Negative. Wrong way, Arch Road traffic. 100 block. Reserve at Canal Block. Back in the right lane of travel. Good acceleration point. Right behind you. Anybody have any ideas on fitting? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle? What kind of vehicle is it again? We're coming out and have I'm sorry. Acceleration point. Not hard to do. Pretty tall. It's a short box truck. 47 over. Yeah. If it becomes a danger, y'all need to stop the vehicle fitting. It's definitely a danger. Corey, where you at now? R393. 75 catch, I get 6 out in front of Madison Coast. What are you going to update, please? We're eastbound. Or Madison Burger King eastbound.
Y'all, when I call from ASO, eastbound, 4,000 block eastbound speeds are about 60 miles an hour.
ASO unit 2300 Archer.
A dashcam video released by the Sheriff's Office shows the suspect recklessly weaving through traffic, ramming into patrol cars, and putting countless lives at risk.
Butler Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
He's really locked him in at the perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy. Alright, he's running through the Best Buy Plaza.
Bring up my my vehicle also.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a ASO K9, still eastbound, Blaze P. Hey, you good?
You can get there and be out of it. I'm going to check on this red car.
Alright, we are at 35th Boulevard, still eastbound, wrong side of the road, coming up to 34th Street.
Vehicle, pit that truck, pit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour.
Do you have any lag at ASO units? I need a ride.
Northbound 34th Street, northbound 34th Street.
Alright, 1388, I'm calling it. Northbound through Meadows Boulevard on 34th Street.
Trying to get up to a pit.
Signal 4, and wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
And here's the state to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so third part of attempted pit. We are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. Everybody on 34, keep off. Everybody hold the traffic for a second. Keep calling. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street. Attempted pit again. Coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th.
Eventually, the chase came to an end in Gainesville when Baker ditched the vehicle and tried to flee on foot. Officers and deputies quickly caught up to him and took him into custody without further incident. Thankfully, only one person was injured in the chaos. Baker now faces a long list of felony charges in Alachua County, and Tampa PD says additional charges are on the way. Sheriff Clovis Watson Jr. praised the officers involved, saying he's proud they managed to stop such a dangerous individual without any loss of life. He added, quote, "Watch the video for yourself. You'll see just how serious this situation really was." End quote.